package. This is our new package, and it is let us open the close. LED dot matrix 4 bits. So there is a pin header, and we can able to detach, remove. There is an IC. You can see here, this is pogo pins, rounded pin header. So for each 8x8 LED dot matrix, we have the IC. Okay. Then this one. And also so this is an LED dot matrix, VCC, ground, out, CS, clock, DIN, CS, clock. And then also included in the package is the cable for the 4 pins, but it is 5 cables. And then we also have this what is this? This is OLED display. So we have this OLED display. .96 organic light emitting diode. This is ground, BDD, SEK, SDA, using a SPI communication protocol. So this is a video display, OLED. And then we have 4 bits of LED matrix with cable. So these are the components from our package.